Hi, welcome to Camplish.com. I'm teacher Emmy and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Now let's start our discussion on page 81. Here on page 81, we're already on lesson number 27. And our topic is doing an exercise. Okay? Doing an exercise. Now let's try to go on the teacher's language and the student's language. So the teacher's language first, we can see here the first statement. Let's do the exercise on page 15. Next one we have here. Would you read the directions? Let's do question number 1. Try it by yourself. Now finish the exercise. Raise your hand if you have any questions. Okay, now let's continue to the student's language this time. I need more time. Could I have more time? Could I have a few more minutes? Okay, now let's try to see the dialogue here. Let's read the teacher's part. Now, let's do the exercise on page 15. Jungmi, would you read the directions? And Jungmi said, okay. Reads the directions. Now let's go to the next page. We have here the teacher. Okay, let's do question number 1. Try it by yourself. Then the students write an answer for question 1. The teacher said, what did you get? Minji? Minji answers, and then the teacher and students discuss the answer. Okay, now finish the exercise. I'll give you 10 minutes. Raise your hand if you have any questions. And then no hands are raised. Okay, let's begin. After 10 minutes, time's up. One student said, I need more time. Teacher, okay, I'll give you 2 more minutes. Okay, now did you understand the dialogue? Let's try to see the other expressions this time. Starting on number 1, let's do the exercise on page 15. We can also use we'll do the exercise on page 15, or let's turn to page 15 and do the exercise. The number 2 here is, would you read the directions? Read the directions, please. Will you read the directions for us? How do you like to read the directions? Read the directions for us, please. Would you? Okay, now let's go to number 3, try it by yourself. You could also say, try answering it by yourself. See if you can get the right answer. Go ahead and try to write the answer. Number 4 now. Now finish the exercise. You could also say, now work on the rest of the exercise. Or, now go ahead and finish the exercise. We also have here, now do the rest of the exercise on your own. Another one, now you can go ahead and do the rest of the exercise. Number 5, here we have the statement, raise your hand if you have any questions. You can also say, raise your hand if you need some help. or raise your hand if you're having any trouble. So did you understand the other expressions for teachers? Now let's try to study the other expressions for students this time. So we can read here A, I need more time. Or you could also say, could I have more time? So this is the question form of this sentence. Another question form here is, could I have a few more minutes? Another one is, could you give us some more time? Okay, so did you understand that? The other expressions for students. Now you can see here on the box the Korean translation of the dialogue that we've just read. Now you can go ahead and read this part if you don't understand some of the English parts on the dialogue. Okay, so that's it for our lesson for this video. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. See you in our next video lesson. Goodbye.